Each soul is potentially divine. The goal of humanity is to realize this divinity, said Swami Vivekananda. It was this concern that urged the setting up of the Adamya Chetna Trust in 1997. Inspired by the indomitable spirit of his mother Srimati Girija Shastri, Sri Anand Kumar, the Member of Parliament from the Bangalore South constituency, got together a small group of family members to continue the social activism that she had believed. If you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you empower a woman, you uplift a whole family. This truth motivated Adamya Chetna to empower underprivileged women. The intention is to make them confident and self-reliant by giving them training in tailoring, crafts, computer fundamentals, spoken English and yoga. Most important of them all are the personality development programs. Adamya Chetna has a credit of conceiving a number of innovative, multifaceted social projects and making them a community movement, and has touched lakhs of hearts not only in Bangalore but other places also. Internet being a major source of information, Adamya Chetna took up a responsibility to host www.raktadan.org to create a platform for people in need of blood to access the list of donors. Thousands of blood donors, individuals, corporates and blood banks have registered their names. Numerous persons have benefited by this virtual blood bank. A survey done by our volunteers opined that there was much to be done, and it was formidable. Acute shortage of infrastructure, lack of space and classrooms were the greatest hassles. Playgrounds and games were a distant dream to many students. The absence of a proper lunch added to the decrease in interest in the later part of the day in schools. Back at home, lack of living space, ignorance of the parents, badly lit, poorly ventilated houses, poor access to health care, both the parents of the children working for their livelihood added to the children's worries. The school environment is not a motivating factor for many students and teachers as well. Adamya Chetna resolved to be an active partner in the development of the lives of deprived children. Making school education interesting was of utmost importance. A holistic approach was taken to integrate health and nutrition with education to completely nurture a child. With minimum or no facilities, the teachers have a tough time handling students and keeping students in the classrooms. Under Shikshaka Chetna, Adamya Chetna trains the teachers too. Various workshops and meetings have helped motivate the teachers. Shikshaka Chetna has made the uphill task of reaching lakhs of children possible by making teachers the medium to reach them all. Arogya Chetna is a program to regularize annual health, eye and dental checkups in schools and licensing of insurance cover for the students. Qualified doctors visit various schools to assess the health of the students. Various organizations such as Rotary Clubs, Lions Club and hospitals such as Sri Krishna Sevashrama and KIMS have joined hands to provide healthcare facilities to the needy children. Udyanavanaದಲ್ಲಿ Sahitya Sanchana is a project to get closer to the literary culture through lectures, workshops and performances in various parks in the city. Seva.org is a unique information sharing and guidance mechanism dedicated for the NGOs to display their activities, build awareness in the community on various initiatives being taken up by them, and educate the community to participate in their activities. Ata Patha is designed to make the formal education interesting, using audiovisual aids along with many other innovative methods of stage plays, experiential learning, computers, stories, dance and music. Aata Paata, as the name suggests, encompasses play in the process of learning. A messenger of hope on wheels, this Aata Paata vehicle travels to the school once a week and makes the kid experience, understand and learn in an interesting way.
ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಮಿಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಪಾಠದವರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ದಿನದ ಹಾಜರಾತಿ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Many teachers have embraced this methodology. The value addition for teachers is through the exposure to fun ways of making, learning and teaching more interesting. Aata Paata project has been successful in driving in the students to schools, enhance their natural curiosity and keep their interest in learning alive. Don't teach philosophy to a hungry stomach, said Swami Vivekananda then. Adamya Chetna's experience has shown indeed how true it is. The single biggest problem facing children was a lack of nutrition, and lack of good food led to lack of physical and mental well-being of most children in government schools.
ತಂದೆ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
While we were contemplating on addressing this need to feed the hungry students, by sheer coincidence, the Honorable Supreme Court of India in June 2003 made it mandatory for the governments to provide hot midday meals to all the primary and secondary school students in India. For us, this was an opportunity and we joined hands with the government. Thus, Annapurna, Adamya Chetna's midday meal project evolved. Under the Akshara Dasoha program of the government of Karnataka, Adamya Chetna in the month of July 2003 started serving 10,000 students of 56 schools of Bangalore. It started with an aid of 100 grams of rice per child per day from the central government and ₹1 as conversion cost per student per day from the state government.
ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಏನು 100 ಗ್ರಾಂ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Goddess Annapurneshwari's blessings has taken the number to a mammoth over 2 lakh students of over 350 schools in Bangalore, over 125 schools in Hubli Dharwad, over 52 schools in Gulbarga in Karnataka and more than 200 schools in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Aata Paata was building hopes among the students and gradually midday meals reinforced Aata Paata. Anna, Akshara, Arogya, food, education and health are the 3 components of the basic living of a child. Annapurna is all about a holistic concept of hygienic and sumptuous food, making community involvement in education a reality. The unique feature of Adamya Chetna's midday meal scheme is its novel concept of Dinakondo Puta. Every child is expected to write a page a day before the meals is served.
ಅನೇಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತರಕಾರಿ, ಬೇಳೆಕಾಳು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಬರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಗಾದೆಗಳು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ.
The food is cooked at a centrally located kitchen and has a preset menu. Mechanized and manual cleaning of rice, mechanized and manual chopping of vegetables and issue of ingredients is done as per the schedule. Presently at Bangalore, for 85,000 children, every day the food is prepared by using about 8 tons of rice, 2 tons of vegetables, 2.5 tons of dal, 200 kgs each of jaggery and tamarind, 700 coconuts, 250 kgs of sambar powder, over 1 lakh liters of water for cooking and cleaning. The menu consists of delicious bisibelabath and curd rice, rice and sambar, pulav and buttermilk, khara pongal and sweet pongal, upma among others in Bangalore, and rice with lapsi, kadhi, sabji or dalia in Jodhpur. About 60,000 chapatis are baked every day. Huge steam cookers prepare sambar for over 3,000 students at a time. Each rice cooker could cook rice for 600 students. The carriers with food are sealed immediately after preparation. Food prepared in each batch is sampled and stored with details for a quality check. Loading of sealed containers to vehicles starts as per the route plan after security check. There is a need for 2 sets of containers as one set is always left at the school premises. Between 8:30 am and 12 pm, delivery vehicles depart to schools. And between 9 am and 12:30 pm, delivery of food containers is done at all the schools. The school authorities check the food. All containers are collected. Delivery slips and feedback about the quality, quantity and time of delivery of containers is taken from each and every school. The children are served the hot meals between 12 pm and 2 pm. The vehicles loaded with empty containers return to the kitchen between 11:30 am and 3 pm. The farthest school, being 28 kilometers, takes a travel time of 1 hour, and the nearest school, being 200 meters, takes a travel time of 3 minutes. The consolidated report and the status report are generated. Adamya Chetna has an efficient team of cooks, supervisors, drivers and volunteers totaling to over 150 persons who are in charge of the process and work in shifts to make sure that the hungry children get their meals on time every single day. Not just the kids, even the teachers love to get the tasty, hot and variety of sumptuous food daily from Annapurna.
ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾದಂತಹ ಗುರಿ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ದಾರಿ, ದಕ್ಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರ ತಂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಪಕ್ವವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯವಿಧಾನ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳು ಅದಮ್ಯ ಚೇತನದ ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣದ ಆಧಾರ ಸ್ತಂಭಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Adamya Chetna believes in active community participation. Regular teacher interactions with the volunteers of Adamya Chetna have helped us understand their problems and serve them better. Parents and students are the most welcome here. From the time of its inception, midday meal program was the one that helped in the holistic development of a child. The result of the tireless effort by Adamya Chetna is a remarkable decrease of skin problem and anemia among the students. To top them all, the level of learning has increased.
ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕವಾದ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಯೋಜನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಫಲಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
We have been much appreciated for our hard work by many students and parents alike.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡುಗೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಮಿಡ್ ಡೇ ಮೀಲ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
A smile on the face of a child says it all for us.
ಅನ್ನ, ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ದೊರಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯತಾ ಭಾವ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Philanthropists and volunteers are the ones who made Adamya Chetna the organization that it is today. We believe that every single person can make a difference in the lives of many. Contributions are welcome. Contributing your time and expertise is the best you can do for the mission of Adamya Chetna. Adamya Chetana follows an innovative model that can be replicated effectively by anybody in any part of our country. We are eager to reach out and unite like-minded individuals for the betterment of our society. Do your bit today. Come, join us in this endeavor to make another child smile, another young citizen healthy, another future secure.